we're going to take old Chop here, and we're going to get us a kohlrabi. Set the back in here. There it is. We're starting to get major shade happening here. We're approaching the fall equinox, so we're going to take these ones that are in the shade next. Ooh, there's one. There's two more here that are in pretty deep shade. A couple of them are really small, so we'll probably take some of those maybe for a breakfast, add with eggs. But this here, this is our vegetable for a fish fry. And look at that one. That's pretty nice right there. Here's one with a little bit of a head. At least pull one so I can see it come out of the ground. Right here. This has got, oh, I broke it off already. I got a wiggle. That's not too bad. How about this one next door to it? No, it's kind of skinny yet. Oh, that didn't work out too good there. Here's one with a nice top on it right there. Oh, I broke it off again. And I gotta dig down a little bit so I can grab it. There. Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful for a baby carrot. So let's count up all our gains today. Some really little ones. I just pulled some out of a patch that was really thick. There are too many. So I pulled a couple of them out of the center, and they're pretty small. Which makes sense because they're competing for water. They don't have a soil problem here. They got a water problem because I don't water them enough. There was plenty of water in the beginning of this year. Okay, we'll kind of lay these out towards the sun, get them going, and making some carrots. Here's a plant that I don't want in here, a couple of them. Dig those out of there. I got a potato growing in the middle of this, and I've got garlic around the edges. So you know. There, this will make for a real nice bonus to our supper meal tonight. We're messing around here in our main crop gardens just to pick here, pick there, put together some meals for today, and here we have a nice bowl. A nice kohlrabi, some tomatoes, an onion, nice carrots, all resting on a bed of gooseberries. Look at that. All the veggies along with the fruit. Right here. Main Crop Gardens. Thanks for watching.